This is the story of you learning how to make your own DIY candles.
So you can add wax sculpting to your list of skills.
Without the confusing steps, toxic or secret ingredients, or overpriced natural ingredients. That's why I invented Simply Earth's DIY Candle Recipe Box. It's the box for beginners and DIY experts alike and gives you everything you need to make DIY candles and more.
It's so easy even I can make DIY candles.
But warning, there's a new theme every month, so you'll be mastering all kinds of natural DIY products. You'll learn how to make your own summer spice wax melts, volcano floating candle, lemonade stand candle, warm honey beeswax sheet candles, and more. You'll unlock the power of nature using essential oils and other natural ingredients.
Sounds like DIY nature therapy in a box.
You'll save money because we sell directly, cutting out the middleman. The products you make are way cheaper than store-bought.
Saving money? I'm in.
If you think making your own natural candles is hard, think again. Simply Earth's recipe box makes it easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, pure ingredients delivered right to your door. 2, follow simple recipes. 3, experience the joy of making your own natural DIY products.
I made candles without having a meltdown. I made this.
Click below to join the box that has over 6,000 5-star reviews.
Don't get left in the dark.
This box sells out fast.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
You heard that right. Our essential oils are 100% certified pure. They are all backed by GCMS tests and come from awesome farms just like this one.
Cool beans.
You get free shipping, a free big bonus box, hero course, exclusive discounts, recipe box rewards, a like-minded community, and VIP access to new products. Subscribe today to feel good about turning wax and wicks into your own DIY candles. Worried you won't like the box? Fear not, it's all lit up by our 100% Earthtastic 60-day guarantee. We want everyone to know the joy of turning natural ingredients into natural products you can use every day in your home. With this month's DIY recipe box, you'll get Simply Earth's 100% beeswax sheets, our DIY candle kit, and floating candle wicks. You'll learn how to use lava, orange, lemon eucalyptus, and cassia essential oils. Achieve your DIY goals with Simply Earth's DIY Candle Box. Subscribe today.